Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone creating content online: SEO content writing. Stick around because understanding this can significantly impact your website's visibility and engagement. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is SEO content writing? SEO content writing is the practice of creating content that is not only engaging and valuable to readers, but also optimized for search engines. It involves incorporating relevant keywords and optimizing various elements to improve the content's visibility in search engine results. Now, let's break down the key elements of SEO content writing. 1. Keyword research. Start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for. 2. Quality content. Focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that addresses the needs and interests of your audience. 3. Keyword placement. Strategically incorporate your target keywords into your content, including the title, headings, meta description, and body text. 4. Readability and user experience. Ensure your content is easy to read and navigate, with clear headings, bullet points, and relevant images. It's important to strike a balance between writing for the user and optimizing for search engines. 1. User-centric approach. Prioritize the needs and interests of your audience, providing valuable information and solutions to their queries. 2. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords and following on-page optimization best practices. Lastly, don't forget about promoting your content and engaging with your audience. 1. Content promotion. Promote your content through various channels, including social media, email newsletters, and guest posting. 2. Engagement and interaction. Encourage engagement with your content by responding to comments, asking questions, and fostering a sense of community. And there you have it, a crash course on SEO content writing. By implementing these strategies, you can create content that not only ranks well in search engine results, but also resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Coder Squad.